In a bowl, add your cassava flour, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Add the water to the bowl and mix until the ingredients come together. Cover and let rest for a couple minutes. Flatten the dough and cut into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball and cover with plastic wrap. Place the dough ball between 2 pieces of parchment paper and flatten with a tortilla press or a rolling pin. Place your newly formed tortillas onto the cast iron pan for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Flip them over, and as they puff, you can pull them off. When you're finished, place your warm tortillas on a rack to cool and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.